Hey, I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions. Ever wish you could soak up the sun all year long? That's exactly what a four-season sunroom is. A space that lets you enjoy sunshine in every season: spring, summer, fall, and yes, even winter. These rooms are typically built with insulated, energy-efficient glass and solid framing to keep you cozy, no matter the weather. Heating and cooling aren't required, but many homeowners choose to include them for ultimate comfort. We've been crafting smart home additions. That means save money and remodeling time for over 46 years here in Central Ohio. In this video, we're breaking down what four-season sunrooms cost in 2025. While we'll share insights from our own projects, these ballpark figures apply across the remodeling industry, so you can plan confidently no matter who you work with. And to make it even easier, we've put together a free Sunroom Edition planning workbook that walks you through budgeting, materials, and design options. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are posted. Let's start with one of the biggest questions we get. Should I go with a prefab sunroom or a custom-built one? Here's the real story. Prefab sunrooms are typically vinyl structures, and the biggest misconception is that they aren't customizable. Not true. Prefab just means the components come in standard sizes, but think of it like building with Lincoln logs. You've got set pieces, but they can be combined in tons of ways to create different shapes, layouts, and styles. It's actually a really flexible system. Prefab vinyl sunrooms usually cost between $20,000 and $50,000, or about $150 to $250 per square foot. Then there's the custom-built option, also called stick-built or wood-framed sunrooms. These are designed from the ground up, often to match your home's existing architecture. That extra design freedom is nice, but it comes with a higher price tag, usually $40,000 to $80,000, or $200 to $300 plus per square foot. Custom wood sunrooms can be beautiful, but they also require more maintenance. And in terms of comfort, energy efficiency, and resale value, they don't offer a huge advantage over a well-built vinyl sunroom. Maybe slightly, but not enough to offset the added cost for most homeowners. That's why we specialize in custom-designed vinyl sunrooms. You get long-term performance, lots of flexibility, and a more budget-friendly way to enjoy the space year-round. Let's talk about what really makes a four-season sunroom feel like a four-season space: the windows and the climate control. Starting with the windows, this is not the place to cut corners. You'll need double-pane, low-E, gas-insulated glass to keep the space comfortable year-round. Without that, your sunroom is going to bake in the summer, freeze in the winter, and cost a fortune if you want to heat or cool it, if it's even usable at all. Depending on the size of your sunroom and the type of glass you choose, expect your window package to fall somewhere between $5,000 and $20,000. Now on to heating and cooling. There are two main approaches. If you're building a custom wood-framed sunroom, which is more like a traditional room addition, you may be able to extend your home's existing HVAC system. That usually runs between $5,000 and $8,000, depending on the ductwork and whether your system can handle the extra load. If you're going with a vinyl sunroom, which doesn't have wall cavities for ducts, a ductless mini-split system is your best bet. These units heat and cool just the sunroom. They don't require ductwork, and they typically cost between $2,000 and $4,500. They're efficient, quiet, and easy to control. When you pair energy-efficient windows with the right heating and cooling setup, you get a space that's comfortable, bright, and actually usable all year long. Beyond materials, there are other important costs that go into building a four-season sunroom, starting with labor. Labor and installation typically cost between $10,000 and $30,000, depending on the size of your room, the materials used, and the complexity of the build. This includes everything from framing and windows to flooring, finishing touches, and cleanup. Then there are permits and inspections. Most cities require a building permit for a sunroom addition, and depending on your location, fees can range from $500 to $2,000, with inspection fees adding another $100 to $500. Here's the good news. Any reputable contractor should handle all of that for you. Permits, inspections, and making sure everything is up to code should all be included in your quote. not tacked on later as a surprise. If a four-season sunroom is on your wish list, the best thing you can do is plan early and know your priorities. Download the free Sunroom Edition Planning Workbook using the link in the description. It's packed with helpful tips on budgeting, heating and cooling options, material choices, and design planning. Or if you're ready to take the next step, schedule a free consultation with our team at JSB Home Solutions. We'll help you create a sunroom that fits your home, your budget, and your lifestyle. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big and remodel smart.